Corrosion happens when hydrogen mixes with the chemicals inside the battery, turning it into a liquid that then leaks from the post. This liquid spreads to the terminals, reducing their contact with the battery, which can cause starting and stalling problems. If not cleaned, corrosion can damage the terminals and cables and drain the battery. Here are some items that you'll need at home. Eye protection, rubber gloves, water, baking soda, an old toothbrush, and a clean rag. Once you have these items, let's make sure that vehicle's turned off, the hood is open, and for safety's sake, if that engine is warm, let's wait a few minutes for it to cool down. Next, we're gonna whip up a batch of cleaning solution. You're gonna use water, baking soda, and a cup. You're gonna mix 1 part baking soda with 3 parts water to create a paste. Now we're gonna remove the battery cables, negative terminal first. If those cables have corrosion on them, they'll need cleaned as well. Now, we're going to inspect the battery. You're gonna check for any type of leaks or swelling of the body. If either of these exist, don't clean the battery. Take it to Les Schwab for further inspection. Now we're gonna clean the corrosion. Using our toothbrush and our baking soda paste, we're gonna clean the terminals and the posts of the battery. Be sure not to dump our baking soda solution onto the battery itself. Finally, let's rinse off that loose corrosion using fresh water and a clean cloth. Make sure to let it air dry before reinstalling those cables. And once again, if you're running into any issues, please give your nearest Les Schwab Tire Center a call.